introducing you to SEO, or what is referred to as search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is the process of getting your website to show up in search results like Google or others. And why you want to do that is simply because you want a user that's searching for your product or your service to click on you. And a common saying is the best place to hide a dead body is on the second page of Google. So we're going to be going over a lot of topics in this video series of what it takes to actually rank on Google and the best topics for search engine optimization. Now, there's a lot of things within search engine optimization that occur, and Google has over 200 ranking factors that allow a website or something to show up on the front page of Google. So taking a look at it, this is just a perfect example of search engine optimization. Now, obviously you see here, if I'm searching men's hiking boots, these are the ads, and that's a very typical way for you to get instant traffic. Search engine optimization doesn't happen overnight. They could be, if you're looking into SEO and you're looking to hire someone to do that, plan on at least 6 months to a year to really get some good traction for that. So yes, it's expensive, but it's worth it if you want to be on the front page. So looking at this, obviously a very popular site is rei.com. So search engine optimization, once again, that's the process of ranking organically in search results and taking advantage of those 200 factors that Google uses to rank your website. So that's a brief introduction on SEO, or search engine optimization as it's referred to. Follow this series because we're going to be going through a lot of tactics on what you can do, or have your agency do, or even your team do to help you rank on the front page of search engines. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next episode.